Today we're at the groundbreaking for Somos at McLean Metrorail Phase A. This is going to provide 231 affordable homes here in the Tysons Urban Center, which has to this date not really been accessible to people across all income levels.
People don't realize that in Tysons we actually have more families lower income than in the average of the county. So in order to really continue to build our community here in Tysons, we need housing.
Because affordable housing shouldn't just be relegated to parts of our community that seem acceptable politically for them. We have to be building affordable housing where people want to live and where they have access to opportunity.
We want, as one of our main goals, to put affordable housing in all corners of Fairfax County, and this is one major evidence and one major step towards that goal.
What's great about this is that it's coming right here in one of the most unattainable, unaffordable areas to live in the county. And it really is becoming harder and harder for families or for seniors to retire and be able to live in place. And so this here is another commitment. It's even more exciting because the county only puts a small amount of funding toward it. It is funded by Amazon funding, by state funding, by a whole array of funding that will help this project be affordable for many generations to come.